Okay, let's cut through the noise. Forget all the complicated tech talk for a minute. Today, we're going to look at AI for what it really is, a brand new, powerful tool to help you make money. We're going to walk through 5 super practical, proven blueprints you can use to actually earn an income with AI, like starting today.
You hear this question all the time, right? Is AI coming for our jobs? But what if we flip that question on its head? Instead of worrying about what AI might take away, let's get laser focused on what it can give you. So together, we're going to turn that big, scary question into a real, concrete plan.
So here's what we've got. We've boiled it all down to 5 clear pathways. We've got the AI artisan, the super freelancer, the bot builder, the faceless creator, and the automation expert. Whether you're a creative person, a freelancer, or someone who just loves building systems, I guarantee one of these is going to click for you. Let's find your next move.
All right, first up, the AI artisan. Now, the idea here is just beautiful in its simplicity. You use AI to create something cool, a digital product, just one time, and then you sell it over and over and over again. This is the classic path to building a real source of passive income.
And what can you make? The possibilities are pretty much endless. We're talking stunning wall art people can print at home, hilarious t-shirt designs, custom planners, coloring books. You can even create entire kids' storybooks. You just come up with a cool idea, and AI does all the heavy lifting.
So, how do you actually do it? Well, the toolkit is surprisingly easy to get your hands on. You're using amazing image generators like Midjourney or DALL-E. You can use ChatGPT to brainstorm ideas, and then you sell your creations on huge platforms like Etsy or Shopify, where millions of people are already shopping.
And check out the potential here. And I want to be clear, these are not just some made-up numbers. The research shows that successful Etsy shops selling AI art are pulling in anywhere from $1,000 to $10,000 a month. That's a game-changing side hustle.
Okay, our second blueprint is the super freelancer. Now, this one isn't about replacing your skills at all. It's about giving them superpowers. Think of AI as your personal assistant who works 24/7 and never needs a coffee break.
Basically, any service that involves creating things can be supercharged. Writing articles, chopping up long videos into short clips for TikTok and Reels, drafting a month's worth of social media posts. AI can help you do all of that way faster, and honestly, probably better too.
And this slide just says it all. A regular writer might finish 1 article, but a writer using AI can produce 3 in the same amount of time. That's a 3x jump in productivity, which means you can handle more clients, charge more for your time, and basically double or even triple your hourly rate.
And the tools for this are all about making you more efficient. You've got ChatGPT for drafting, Opus Clip for that video magic I mentioned, and Grammarly to make sure everything's perfect. And where do you find clients? All the usual spots: Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.
Okay, blueprint number 3 is a really interesting one. It's the bot builder. This is for all of you out there who like to solve real-world problems for other businesses. And trust me, almost every single local business out there has a problem that a simple little chatbot can solve.
Just think about it for a second. Your local pizza place, right? They need to take orders and reservations. The real estate agent down the street is answering the same 5 questions 100 times a day. Your gym needs to sign up new members. These are all perfect jobs for a simple AI chatbot.
And the business model itself is so straightforward. Step 1, find a client. Step 2, build them a bot that handles their common questions or schedules appointments. Step 3, you charge them a one-time fee to set it all up. And step 4, the best part, you earn a monthly fee to keep it running.
And the payoff for this can be pretty awesome. Small agencies that just focus on this one service are bringing in between $3,000 and $8,000 a month. It's a high-demand skill, and you're providing a ton of value to those small business owners.
All right, pathway number 4, the faceless creator. This one is for anyone who has great ideas for content, but maybe doesn't want to be in front of a camera. This is all about building entire YouTube or TikTok channels that are almost completely powered by AI.
And I know you've seen these channels before. The ones that do quick explainer videos, or share motivational quotes over beautiful scenery, or give you the daily news headlines. The content is super engaging, but you never actually see the person who's making it.
This is where you can build what's called an AI stack. It's like an assembly line. You use ChatGPT for the scripts, a tool like 11 Labs for a super realistic voiceover, Runway ML to generate the video clips, and then you make money from YouTube ads, affiliate links, and even brand sponsorships once you grow.
Now, the potential here is incredibly high.
Yeah, it's going to take some time to build that audience, but the top AI-powered channels can earn upwards of $15,000 a month. You're not just making little videos, you're building a real digital media company.
And that brings us to our final blueprint, number 5, the automation expert. This is kind of like the bot builder, but you take it a step further. You basically become a consultant who uses AI to automate all the boring, repetitive tasks for other businesses, saving them a ton of time and money.
And let me tell you, businesses will pay good money for this. Imagine setting up a system that automatically posts to their social media, finds them new sales leads online, generates market research reports, or even screens resumes for them. What you're really selling them is efficiency. You're selling them back their time.
To pull this off, your toolkit includes some really powerful platforms like Zapier and Make, working right alongside ChatGPT. And the pricing model is fantastic. It's super stable. You just charge businesses a monthly retainer, anywhere from a few hundred to $1,000, to manage these automated systems for them.
And the numbers show that even a one-person operation can scale this to $5,000 a month or more. All you need is a handful of happy clients, and you become their go-to automation specialist. It's a fantastic business model.
So let's just zoom out for a second. When you look at all 5 of these, you realize AI isn't just one thing. It's a whole toolkit. It can be your paintbrush if you're an artisan, it can be your productivity engine if you're a freelancer, or it can be a set of building blocks if you're a bot builder.
So there you have it. We've laid out 5 very different, very real pathways to making money with these new tools. Each one has its own potential, its own toolkit. The only question left is the one that really matters. Which blueprint are you going to build?